Apple recently took a deeper step into the music world with its new launch of Apple Music, but the diversification doesn't look to be stopping there. The electronics giant is hiring experts from the auto industry, a signal that its efforts to develop an electric car could be gaining ground. Doug Betts led global quality at Fiat Chrysler through last year, but now works for Apple. His recently updated LinkedIn profile says he joined Apple in July and describes his title as, quote, Operations-Apple Inc., unquote, and says he's working out of San Francisco. Betts worked for nearly 2 decades in product quality and manufacturing at auto companies, first at Toyota and later at Nissan and Chrysler. When Fiat took over Chrysler, Fiat CEO Sergio Marchionne tapped Betts to lead the company's turnaround. Apple declined to comment, and it's not clear whether he's part of the company's car initiative or if he'll work on an existing product line. But Apple has hired hundreds of people to work on an electric car project that's codenamed Titan. But because the company hasn't publicly acknowledged the work, it's difficult to gauge how serious its plans are for building an electric car. Wall Street Journal reporters Christina Rogers, Mike Ramsey, and Daisuke Wakabayashi report that along with Betts, whose expertise involves building cars, Apple hired Paul Fergale, one of the leading autonomous vehicle researchers in Europe, and it's building a team to work on those systems. He's been recruiting students and researchers to work with him. Apple has nearly $200 billion in cash reserves, and it's competing with Google and other companies that are exploring ways to make systems for vehicles or to build entire cars that rely on sophisticated software systems to operate. For example, Uber Technologies recently hired 40 researchers away from a Carnegie Mellon University program that competed with the range of auto companies and tech companies, as they increasingly see cars as a mobile device on wheels with billions of dollars in new revenue potential.